Stop creating boring videos even if you're an introvert. There are a host of things you can do to your videos to keep your audience glued to their screen to the end of your video. Now I'm going to be showing you one video in two different forms. The first video is a normal video that anybody can make, and the second one is a perfectly edited video that will get your audience glued to their screen because of the kind of techniques that you've given it. And in this video we are going to be learning how to do these things using just CapCut. I create minor digital stuff. I hope you enjoy watching them because I enjoy creating them. I create minor digital stuff. I hope you enjoy watching them because I enjoy creating them. To edit a video, you will need a CapCut app, and that is the official homepage of CapCut app. So right here, I'll click on New Project, and I will go ahead and choose my video that I want to design. To start off, I will simply chop off the parts that I do not need, which is right here. So I'll simply click on Edit, Split, and I will delete. I think this video is about 11 seconds, so I will simply split this video into 3 or 4 parts. Okay? I create. This is part 1 split. This is the second part split. So we'll go ahead and give them our special effects. I'll go ahead and click on this first part, and down here you can see effects, animation, speed. I will come to effects. I will click on video effects, and I will choose from one of the trending effects. I think I like camera focus. I create minor digital stuff. Okay, this looks good. So I'll come over here and choose effects again, video effects, and I like this. I hope you enjoy. Good. For this one, okay, let's go ahead and use the animation feature this time around. There are a host of free tools and pro features on CapCut, but for the sake of this video, we'll be using the free features. Okay, so I think I like vibrating feature. I enjoy creating them. Beautiful. I simply push it forward. I enjoy creating them. Beautiful. Okay, let us go ahead and add our text to these videos. In this slide, it's saying I create minor digital stuff. Add text. Add text, and I will type I create minor digital stuff. We'll go ahead and use the enter button in order for the screen not to chop off some parts of our write-up. So I will bring this write-up just inside this slide because I don't want it to extend to the other slide, and I will push it upwards. And to add more effects to this particular write-up, we will go ahead and animate it, okay? And as usual, we'll not be using the pro features, we'll use the free ones. So I like the typewriter feature. I create minor digital. The reason I put this things forward is so that my write-ups would appear slowly. I like them to go slow. I'll go ahead and click on the OK button. I'll go ahead and still edit this text. I will click on style, and I think I like this style. Because I want these same text features to appear in these other slides, I will go ahead and duplicate and drag it over to the second slide. And yeah, we click on the pencil icon. The second slide is saying I hope you enjoy. I'll still go ahead and duplicate. Push it over here, watching them because I enjoy. We are done with our test writing. So let us go ahead and watch what we have done. I create minor digital stuff. I hope you enjoy watching them because I enjoy creating them. Go ahead and export. Now you understand exactly what I mean. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the bell button and also click on the like. Write down your comments or your questions if you have any. I have a video on also how to make simple editing stuffs with CapCut. If this is what you want to learn, kindly go over to my channel and also view it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.